Hey everybody, Charlene with Roadrunners, and tonight I'm in Newport Richey, Florida, seeing some friends, and I'm staying at the Homewood Suites, and this is room 403. So it's really nice. We have a little kitchen area. Not that I really need that, but I wanted to try out a different hotel. I used to stay at the Hampton Inn a lot of times when I come here, or the Holiday Inn Express, but I wanted to try this, and I'm glad I did, because a little noisy AC, but I'm hoping it'll be cooler tonight. And look at there is a ceiling fan, so that will be lovely. Nice little desk setup, nice big TV, big king bed, lots of outlets by the bed, and this is the vanity area, so that's nice and large, and stand-up shower that I always like. So, Homewood Suites getting hopefully a thumbs up, because hopefully I can turn the air off tonight because it's been raining. It should be cooler, and we have the ceiling fan. So it's been kind of a rainy afternoon, but we've had a lot of fun eating and seeing movies and enjoying seeing each other. So hope everybody's having a fun Saturday. I finally remembered what day it was, and we'll be talking soon.